what the Groundsmaster 5900 series is made for. All of the decks down make a full 16-foot cut. The 5900 or 5910 are each capable of mowing 100-plus acres per day. The wing decks can be raised on the fly to mow in between objects or along narrower areas. Both wing decks raised provide a 92-inch width of cut, or one wing deck up gives you a 142-inch width of cut. Cutting decks are 11 and 12-gauge high-strength steel with 7-gauge welded reinforcements at stress points and the bullnose bumper to stand up to years of use. The wing decks use a clever bidirectional impact absorption system, so impacts from forward or reverse are cushioned by the massive spring-loaded shock. The decks are also mounted to the lift arms on a U-joint, allowing the decks to swing up and out away from the impact. Toro research has shown that a shallower rear discharge deck design provides improved aftercut performance while requiring less horsepower. The design of a shallow deck cuts a blade of grass once or twice before discharging it. This design also allows the acceptance of more grass at a faster operator speed, even in heavy growth. The rotary cutting blades are mounted on the hefty 1¼ inch diameter spindles found on all Groundsmasters, with 9½ inch cast iron housings. These are the toughest spindles in the business, ready for years of constant cutting. Hydraulic motors directly drive a master spindle on each of the cutting decks. Large diameter pulleys and low tension Kevlar reinforced V-belts deliver power to the other spindles. Belt tensioning is automatic with spring-loaded idler pulleys. The V-belts on the wing decks and center deck winglets are all identical. A slightly larger Kevlar reinforced V-belt powers the two front spindles on the center deck. Experience the power of 5900 cutting decks.